Justin Gatlin says he's more popular in Jamaica than in the USA. Can you believe that? According to the Olympic and world champion, when he's out and about in the States, people barely recognize him. But in Jamaica, it's a whole different story. Jamaicans go wild for him. Gatlin recently opened up about this on Asafa Powell's podcast, Fast Lane Lifestyle. He had a lot to say about the amazing support he gets from Jamaican fans. Jamaicans are the best fans. They are diehard. They just want really good competition, Gatlin gushed. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. He shared a story about feeling like public enemy number one in Jamaica at one point. Turns out, it was never personal. Over time, he realized the Jamaicans just love a good race, and they've even shown him love on his podcast. Here's a funny tidbit. Gatlin once avoided a stopover in Jamaica by taking a longer flight just to steer clear of the island. That's how intense it felt for him back then. Now, Gatlin wishes he could have the kind of fan support in the US that Jamaican track stars get in Jamaica. He said, "It's the pride that comes with it. Those are one of the things I wish I was born into." He even thought about representing another country where he would feel more appreciated. Yikes. And get this, Gatlin and Powell, despite their competitive past, have never really talked at length until recently. They both admitted on the podcast that they regret not becoming friends sooner. Asafa mentioned that it took him 2.5 years to even hear Gatlin's voice. Can you imagine? Now, here's where you come in. What do you think about Gatlin's comments?